Niagara Falls, one of the most awe-inspiring natural wonders on the planet, captivates visitors with its sheer power and breathtaking beauty. Situated on the border between Canada and the United States, this magnificent waterfall draws millions of visitors each year to witness its thundering waters and majestic splendor, and is a must-visit destination for travelers from around the world. The story of Niagara Falls dates back thousands of years to the end of the last ice age, when retreating glaciers carved out the Great Lakes in the Niagara River. As the glaciers melted, vast volumes of water surged through the newly formed river, carving out a deep gorge and creating the spectacular waterfall we know today. Niagara Falls consists of three separate waterfalls: the Horseshoe Falls, the American Falls, and the Bridal Veil Falls, each offering its own unique vantage points and perspectives. Today, Niagara Falls is not only a natural wonder, but also a thriving tourist destination, attracting visitors from across the globe. Visitors can experience the falls from various vantage points, including boat tours aboard the Maid of the Mist, which take them to the base of the thundering Cascades, providing an up-close and exhilarating encounter with the sheer power of nature. Additionally, observation decks, such as those at Niagara Falls State Park in New York and Queen Victoria Park in Ontario, offer panoramic views of the falls and surrounding landscapes, perfect for photo opportunities and moments of reflection. Beyond the falls themselves, the Niagara region offers a wealth of attractions and activities for visitors to enjoy. From exploring charming towns like Niagara-on-the-Lake with its quaint shops and wineries, to the vibrant casino scene on both the Canadian and American side, adding to the excitement and allure of this iconic destination. Visitors can also delve into the region's rich history and heritage at museums and historic sites, or simply relax and unwind amidst the natural beauty of parks and gardens. Niagara Falls stands as a testament to the enduring power and beauty of nature, captivating visitors with its awe-inspiring spectacle and timeless allure. From its geological origins to its cultural significance and tourism appeal, Niagara Falls continues to inspire wonder and admiration in all who behold it. Whether experiencing the thundering waters up close on a boat tour or marveling at the panoramic views from an observation deck, a visit to Niagara Falls is an unforgettable journey into the heart of one of the world's most iconic natural wonders.